So last time I tried to start up this old Macintosh SE and I didn't have an operating system disk, and I didn't find that floppy disk anywhere that I know I have, but what I did find was a system disk from another Macintosh. I don't know what model. A huge 80 megabyte disk, seems to spin, and I plugged it in with the SCSI cable. So let's see if it boots from it. Seems to work so far, at least. And this thing is running on a Motorola 68000 processor, so it's not the fastest thing in the world. And also the disk isn't the fastest either, so this will take a while. But hey, the system booted, and let's wait a little bit. We got the system up and running. Okay, we don't have peak time, obviously. Doesn't work on this old crap. But hey, it works. And booted. Let's see the specs for this. So in the earlier video I said that it has a 1 megabyte of memory. It seems that it has been upgraded to a huge amount of 2.5 meg. So this is a monster. And even this old computer boots this version of system 7.1. That's pretty good. Hey, it works. Let's shut it down.